Hey everyone, let's learn about the checkpoints in MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So we can see this is my app, okay, and it's a blank app, okay. Now suppose you created some apps and you want to create some larger app, okay. So what you can do here, you can take a backup of your app. Suppose let me just try some other app, okay. I already have created some apps, so let me just try to some app, something learning app, suppose. Okay, let's try this. Suppose I created this app, okay, like practice. I have some button and a lot of things here. Now I want to add some layouts and I want to do some coding here, okay. But what I'll do before adding some task or before adding the any new feature, I'll take a backup of my app. So that is called a checkpoint. So what I'll do, click on the project and we can see the checkpoint. Click on this. Once you create a checkpoint 1 and just okay, so all that whole code will copy in the another new app. Okay, so suppose let's go to the design and let's see the projects. Now you can see the learning checkpoint you have, and still you have that learning app, this one, right? So let's go to the learning app again and I just do some changes. Suppose I just deleted the speak noiser or maybe I change the something here or delete this. Okay, now I don't remember what I've written here and what I've done the block code. So what I can do here, go to the design and I can go to my checkpoint and I can see the previous one that I have added, this one, right? So you have a backup of your app. So this is really very important. You should always use the checkpoints to have a backup of your app in MIT App Inventor. So this is the feature in MIT App Inventor you can use. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.